Wash your bum.
Oh my god, your shoes are totally wet.
가자. 추워?
If you're ever feeling overwhelmed or like your brain's a little too loud, try this. Go outside, take off your shoes, stand on the ground, or sit, or even both. I know it sounds simple, but when was the last time you actually did it? Touched grass, literally, and truly felt the vibrations from the earth, let the sun hit your face, or just watch the way the light moved through the trees. Sometimes the body knows how to heal before the mind catches up.
So I want to live here. Finally I hear no sound. Maybe I hear a car somewhere.
You don't always need answers, you don't need to fix everything, you just need a little space. Nature won't solve all of your problems, of course, but it reminds you that you're part of something bigger, and that can feel like a kind of peace.
You gonna do bouldering pose? Wow.
Wow, nice.
I wonder if people climb here. Nah. Too dirty.
Today felt like something we've been craving for a long time. We've both been so busy lately, always rushing, always planning, always trying to be somewhere, do something. But months ago we promised ourselves these days. A few days together, just us, no schedules, no pressure. And the only plan we made? Sleep in the car. That's it. It didn't matter where we went, just that we were together. That we could wake up next to each other with the sky outside the window and nothing urgent to do. We wanted to find that feeling again, that feeling we had in New Zealand, when life was quiet and simple and every moment felt a little bit magical, just because we were paying attention. So we did it. And honestly, it was kind of perfect. Actually, it was perfect. Not because everything went exactly right, but because we slowed down enough to notice how lucky we are. Sometimes the best thing you can do is pause. Go somewhere with someone you love and just be.
가끔은 밖으로 나가서 숨을 쉬면 모든 게 나아져요. 물론 도시에서 살면 힘들어요. 콘크리트로 뚫렸어요 있고 주변이 자연이 많지 않아요. 하지만 그 작은 자연이라도 큰 변화를 가질 수 있어요. 그래서 조금의 노력을 누리는 것이 분명하고 가치 있어요.
Oh my god, your shoes are totally wet.
Did you abseil into the hole?
Something I've been working on is doing things in the moment, not telling myself, I'll wait until next time, or I'm not feeling it today, maybe tomorrow. No, I've decided that when I catch myself thinking that way, it means I need to do it right now, because life is precious, and maybe we don't need to live it like it's our last day, but more like it's our first, like we're experiencing everything for the first time, the way children do, with wonder and joy, not because they know everything, but because they don't.
조심해. 조심해. 미안해 나무. 안녕하세요 여러분.
안녕하세요.
Today we're in the Blue Mountains. It's such a beautiful day. Look at the sky. Oh.
No cloud at all. It's
Oh.
beautiful, wonderful, amazing here. We just finished first hike, which was 3 hours for the Grand Canyon trek.
Yeah.
And we thought there will be 1.5 hours more to go, but actually suddenly it ended. So we're gonna go to a cafe maybe if we can find somewhere, and then we're gonna go to other like lookout point and view a little bit short hikes and
We are just going and disconnecting from the world and enjoying being together and reminiscing about being in New Zealand a little bit as well. So. My last meal yesterday was at like 4, I think. Is that right?
5, I guess.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, 5. And so was yours? No, yours.
I finished eating at 5:30, and we won't be eating until we get back home, which is gonna be maybe around 6 or 7, 8 p.m. this evening.
Yeah, I'm feeling good though, so it's
I'm
okay.
hungry, yeah.
So we may have bitten off more than we can chew because it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and we did that. And I don't think we're halfway.
Not even halfway. What do you mean?
We just started. 할 수 있어? We are at our 4th destination and it's been 24 hours since our last meal.
Amazing.
And we both feel so good.
Oh.
Let's see. I think we should go that way. This is our final destination. We're gonna go, after this, we're gonna go veggie market and then home and then we're gonna eat. So beautiful. Which has been your favorite hike so far?
Maybe bushwalk.
The first one?
First one.
Yeah, that was my favorite too.
Was your favorite too?
Yeah, because there were way less people and it was quiet and we were alone, kind of in nature, and it felt really magical.
It was very nice.
Yeah, that was like being in New Zealand again. It's been so nice. 잠깐만. Wow, the sky is pretty. You're getting a good picture.
Mom, take a
Selfie? Wow, your face is so
Scary.
skyy.
This it doesn't look scary.
It looks scary.
Yeah.
She's brave. 오이 멋있어. 멋있어. 진짜. Okay. We're home.
24 hours.
Oh yeah, it was 24 hours ago.
Yeah.
Wow. That's awesome.
Sleeping in the car was fun.
Yeah, it was
Very
fun.
fun. I liked it. Yeah.
I think we nailed it. It was comfy.
It was good enough. Yeah. We did, wow, 26,000 steps.
Is that all? I did 27,000. 27,000 steps. And 26 hours fasting. Oh my gosh, almost the same. 26,020. Interested in eating.
Here we are at our favorite part of the day, as usual. I think when I talk about fasting, people sometimes assume I'm forcing myself not to eat, or that I don't eat enough, or maybe that I don't enjoy food. But in reality, food, from shopping for ingredients, trying new whole foods, cooking, making recipes, and eating, takes up a lot of the time I get for hobbies. It's pretty much the only hobby I do every single day. We put a lot of thought into every meal, making sure we're eating the best food possible so that we're getting all the nutrients our bodies need to enjoy our active, adventurous lifestyle. That's why we're able to fast for long hours without feeling the need to fill our time or our bodies unnecessarily.
So good, right? Very similar.
Of course, everyone's different, but after researching, learning, and trying every variation of fasting, there's really no reason for us not to do it. For us, ignorance is not bliss, it's just ignorance. And once we understood the benefits of fasting and the downsides of traditional eating routines, we couldn't unlearn it. It's been more than 2 years now since we started, and honestly, I don't think we will be stopping anytime soon.